INL has released a new modeling and simulation software for additive manufacturing. Meet MALAMUTE, also known as the Moose Application Library for Advanced Manufacturing Utilities. MALAMUTE is the first INL application to simulate advanced manufacturing at multiple dimensions from microscale to full scale. This connection between scales for additive manufacturing applications wasn't possible before MALAMUTE. Currently, MALAMUTE models electric field-assisted sintering, also known as spark plasma sintering. This technique, commonly used in aerospace and nuclear engineering, uses a strong electrical current and pressure to form a metal or ceramic powder into a solid. By fine-tuning the ways electric currents and pressure are applied to a powder, manufacturers can more precisely control the materials they're working with. MALAMUTE helps researchers do this by showing how the material evolves at different scales. NASA will be the first to take advantage of MALAMUTE, using the tool to model sintering and other advanced manufacturing techniques in a zero-gravity environment. Learn more at inl.gov.